Friends and family, thanks for joining me again. Today I have a very special guest. This is Ryan Smith from Waterstone Mortgage. He agreed to come on and talk about some of the things he does. He's a mortgage lender out of that company that I've been working with for a while now, and I've been very happy with the results. So Ryan, thanks for coming on.
Thanks for having me.
It.
Appreciate it.
I would actually just like to have you introduce yourself and let you know, tell everybody about yourself and what you specialize in.
Yeah, for sure. Thanks for having me come in today. So like you said, my name's Ryan Smith. I'm a mortgage lender at Waterstone Mortgage, as you know, and I've been doing mortgage loans, helping families in Dane County for 16 years, and I've been with Waterstone for coming up on 7 years. And you know, I specialize in working with first-time home buyers and helping new buyers through the home buying process. I feel like one of the things that we're really good at is educating young people on the programs that are available to them.
Oh, good. So one of the big questions I get when I talk with buyers is, why should I go with so-and-so when there's all these lenders out there, all these banks, these big names out there, and I have a pretty good answer for them, but I want to hear from your own words, so why should I go with you?
Well, you know, the reality is there is a lot of good lenders in Dane County. Our competition is stiff. The president of our company, we lend in 30 states. He tells me all the time that we have one of the most competitive environments for lending out of all of our offices. So I think where we shine and where we stand out is we take a team approach to lending. You know, what I mean by that is I've built a team to cater to my clients. So we do a pre-approval, for example. When I do a pre-approval, I try to take them almost to a loan approval status. I don't run their credit and just tell them, you know, looks like you'll be fine, because I don't want to get down the line and they run into issues after they submit their tax returns or their bank statements. So we take a very thorough approach up front, which usually means the loan process, once they find the home that they want to buy, is less stressful because they've already done the stressful part, which is getting all their tax returns and their bank statements and all the things that are required. So I would say that makes us a little bit unique. The other thing that makes us unique is we're very responsive. One of the reasons that I built a team was I don't want anyone to call in and feel like they can't get a hold of me. And the reality is I'm meeting with clients a lot. And when I'm meeting with clients, I want to show them the respect that they deserve by, you know, not checking my phone and not rushing out of the meeting. And so when you call my office, I do have people that answer the phone and have we have a very good cadence in how we get people through the process and get them started. So I feel like that is a little bit unique in our lending environment.
Sure. Speaking of that, I've met, I believe, every single member of your team. Can you kind of touch upon that and why you chose each one and some of the responsibilities?
Yeah, for sure. So I have 2 loan partners, and one of them is her name is Noelle, and she's on the front end. So she'd be the person that answers the phone when a call comes in, a new client is referred in, and her job is to take their application, get the necessary information to start the process, give them a checklist of information that we need to get from them, give them a avenue to submit that information. So we use Dropbox a lot, and there's other avenues, but that's what we use, and then set them up to meet with me. And going back to, I think what makes us unique is I try to meet with every client in the pre-approval process up front in my office before they go out and shop for a home. That's ideal. Then I can show them all the loan programs that are available to them. I can talk about their budget and things of that nature, all before they go out and look for the home. So that's Noelle's job, is to kind of get the information, get them set to meet with me, collect the documentation that's needed. And then on the secondary level, Rebecca Heller is my loan partner. We call it loan partner 2, but she's kind of the next level of that position. And her job is to make sure that all the documentation that clients submit is analyzed, and we work on which loan program is available to those clients. So we do at Waterstone, we do every loan program pretty much available to anyone in this country, with a few exceptions. But we take every client and we look at every loan that may be available to them, and then when they come in, we're advising them on, you know, their top 2 or 3 options, and then we discuss which one might be the best one for them. Because a lot of times people do have more than one loan option, and if, you know, one loan may not be right for everyone, but might be right for someone else. So Rebecca's job is kind of analyzing that and getting, she's kind of my underwriter, if you will. And then once the client finds a home, Rebecca also helps process the paperwork and works with underwriting and gets us to loan approval. So her job is contract to close. And then my job is to lead the team, advise the clients based on my knowledge and my experience, and you know, just make sure that they have an overall great experience.
Sounds great. Thanks for giving that info.
Yes.
So this is just part one of my talk with Ryan. Please check in next week for some more information about some specific programs and some other campaigns that we have together. But until next time, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you then. Thanks.